The measurement computing c10-das16jr-16 is a multi-channel I/O board, which, in this particular case, is used for a semiconductor tool. This board required us to fully set up an early 90s PC with DOS in order to fully operate the board. As shown in the video, we exercised the inputs and verified all the outputs using vintage software we were able to find. This board came to us with an input that had a large offset, and we were able to verify and repair the issue. ERD has an extensive collection of older PC boards and backplanes, which allows us to work with equipment that is considered very obsolete, but still may be needed for critical operations. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.